making orange juice for Kian.
And for you? Too?
Put extra stuff. You just want orange. You said you just wanted orange.
Okay.
Only orange for you or what?
Only one.
Only one? One. The whole orange for Kian. Oh no, oh no, no. I'm getting the pulp, everything in there. Oh, I thought maybe. You want some ice?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, let me get the ice. Keep making the video. Put some ice in there. Oh no, I don't think we have enough ice. I don't think we have enough ice. Oh, it looks good on the camera. Good, you're doing a good job. Cameraman, good job. How many ices? 3 ices for you. And we need something else. What else do we need? Here, I'm going to use the juice that we made yesterday. Just going to put this one in there. That one's yours from yesterday.
So, but it's so hot.
It's okay, it's fine. Oh, you want this? You want me to put this in there?
What? Oh yeah.
Alright, we're going to put, what are we putting in there? Royal soda in the orange juice. How much?
Just a little bit. Okay?
Enough?
Yes?
Okay. There you go, guys. We're making orange juice. We're making orange juice in the Philippines with real oranges and fake orange soda. Fake orange soda. Why? I don't know why. Just because we can. Just because we bought a blender. And it's fun. Alright, now let's push the button. Put it on high. Alright, now let's see if the ice is done broken. Alright, I think we got it. Let me get a cup for you. Oh, no. Here, you want this cup? I'll give you this cup. Making orange juice in the Philippines. Hold on, I'm going to drink some too.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good. I think you're gonna like it. I think you're gonna like it. Alright, that one's for you. Hold on, we're not done. I gotta make one for me.
Okay.
Put some ice in there. What am I gonna put in mine?
Ice.
Alright, I'm gonna put a bunch of stuff in mine. I don't know what I'm gonna put in there.
Just like yesterday.
Just like yesterday?
Yes.
Alright, I feel like I want to put these lemons in there. Let's make some juice, some lemony sour juice.
Yeah.
I should have put that in the lemons in the orange juice too. Would have been better. I think it would have made the orange juice better because then it would have been more sour. Like sour and orange together. Alright, we got the lemon in there. Now, do we have any more bananas?
I don't know. I think more.
There's no bananas.
Oh no.
Oh no. There's nothing. Alright, never mind. Never mind, we just got the lemons.
How are they? The
We got some honey.
banana.
Honey's going in there. Boom. Alright. We're going to put some garlic in there. Some garlic's going in there. The rest of this onion's going in there. Put some ginger in there.
Oh my goodness, too much.
Oh my goodness. Lemon, honey, garlic, ginger. Oh, good. You're getting the camera inside there. All right, now we gotta put something in there that's gonna make this taste good. I don't know what. 'Cause we don't have anything. We don't have anything to put in there. All right, I'm gonna put this in there. Hold on. Oh, we have some other stuff. Here we go. This will make it taste better.
Yeah, that's an apple.
Should put the apple and orange juice too.
And carrot too.
Nah, I think I had enough carrot. Alright. Gonna put the apple in there. I'm gonna pour this yogurt drink in there. Hopefully that'll make it taste better. Alright, there we go. That's the one for me. I don't know, it might not be good. Let's see. Let's see what it tastes like. Shouldn't take that long. See what it smells like. Doesn't smell good. Can definitely taste the onion. That splashed on my face. I got some on my nose. It's not bad. You can taste the onion, but it's not like bad. It's actually pretty good. Oh yeah! Perfect. It fits in my cut perfect. How's that look, guys? I can taste the onion, but it's not overpowering. It's drinkable. It's not great, but it's drinkable. Alright, there you go, guys. Smoothies in the Philippines. Alright, let's drink our smoothies. Here, get yours. Are you still recording? Cheers. We gotta do cheers on the camera. Let me see on the camera. Is it on the camera? Cheers. Smoothie cheers. Alright, MK Mobile Gaming in the Philippines, signing out.